Today we've been celebrating the Big Green Trail. The sunshine has come out for us, which has been fantastic. There's been free activities, loads of organisations involved, all coming together to celebrate the blue and green projects that we have here in Plymouth.
I would describe today in 3 words of energetic, joyful and sustainable.
'If I was to describe today in 3 words, I would say glorious, fun and knowledge.
So what was the last one?
3 words, just great fun outside.